Hey YouTube, welcome back to my channel. Today we have something new. We have a new location. We have a hater behind the camera. Stop being a hater.
You're my best view.
Yeah, I like the view. I like the view. I like the view. I like the view.
We're here at the Royalton Splash Resort in Punta Cana, and let me show y'all our room. So this is, it's only 3 floors. So can you 3 floors. Let's look at the first floor, way down there, second floor, third floor, and then we are up here. So this is our room. Don't show the numbers. So when you enter, is that a bug? Oh, okay, I think. So when we enter our little area, we have 2 doors that we have access to our room, and I'm gonna use this one because the bug is over here. So we're gonna come in right here, and I'm gonna show you guys what the inside looks like. So in order to open the door, at the lobby, they give you this upon entry into the resort. It doesn't come off unless they take it off. It doesn't really bother you. It might look annoying, but you don't even notice it's there, and it's kind of good because you never have to remember to bring a key because it's on your arm. So you just take it and see the green light went off, so then you open the door. That's pretty much it, and that should work for all your doors. So you put it, scan it, red. So that's red because we locked this door from the inside so no one can get in due to the fact that this side of the door is our lounge area. So we just locked it so no one can get in because we're mainly in that door. We don't want no one to get in this door without our knowledge. Not that anyone would, but just to be safe, you know, we're in a foreign country. It's not where we're from, you know, so taking precautions. Hey guys, come on in. The first thing you notice when you come in is this little area right here, and it's really giving a whole vibe, and it's so big. Come closer, you have to come closer. Come closer, come closer. Look how big it is. Okay. So this is like the first shower area. You can come over here. So this is the first shower area. We have a nice walk-in shower with the glass. We have the towels over there, real cute, real neat. We have the his and her sink, even though he won't be using these sinks, he'll be using the toilet. And then you come over here and you locked it. So you have a private toilet right here, because you know we don't want to know what you're doing. And then we have the closet right here. Like on resorts, we have a safe and we have some drawers, some storage space. Because I'm trying to go fast because anybody got time for this. And then over here, I'm sorry, push this, push this. Okay. Over here we have an ironing board, an iron, some hangers, 2 robes that get closer. Can you see it? We have 2 robes in here and just, you know, some more storage space underneath. Then you come over here. You have this nice little area. Mirror action happening right here. And you know your girl is digging it, honey. Okay, cameraman. So follow me, guys. So right here is our king size bed. We have our king size bed, and then we have over here, we have a mini fridge right here. Come closer. As you can see, there's some beverages in there already. I wonder which one I'm gonna drink first. And then we have some drawers right here. Have about 6 of them. We have an ice cooler, some more beverages, a coffee machine. And on this side right here, we have a table, a chair, you know, sit down, talk, have some drink or whatever. And then you come outside. And this is what you see. We're gonna come inside, and then we're gonna go to the other area that we have. I don't know if I want to show you guys. Okay, I'll show you guys. Come in. So we have 2 spa beds in here. One for me and one for me. Have another balcony. It's pretty spacious. And if you come over here, you'll notice that you can see the previous balcony, the bigger one that's connected to the bedroom right there. Perfect. We have some of the resort siding right here, you know, great view, great view. The trees is really blocking us, so that's all right. And then you're gonna follow me back inside. You're gonna close the door so no bugs get in. Is this light on? Let me find the light switch, y'all. Where is the light switch? Oh. There we go. So I guess this is like a little den area. We have a nice couch. I think it's a cloth couch, but I don't know. It's pretty big. Feels pretty nice. We have a table, some more chairs, and if you come right here, this is what I really like about this part. It's a sink, but it's like see-through. So stay right here. Hey guys! So this is the other part that is see-through, period. Ooh, we already know how we do. And then we have another private shower and toilet action happening right here. And then to my right will be another closet like we have on the other end. And this door is, I don't think this door opens. Oh. So this door is the other door that we have. So we have two doors connecting to our suite. So excuse the rush in the video, y'all, but I hate when I go to look up a resort and the video is like 30 minutes, a room resort, and the video is like 30 minutes long. I just want to show y'all what there is. I know y'all not here to hear me talk or hear me going about what I like and what I don't like. You'll figure that out yourself when you get here. So far, I like everything. But yeah, guys, I know this is like unusual because I don't really do like vacation or like vlogs, but I feel like you guys would like to see this and like to see what I'm up to when I'm not posting any videos about beauty or, you know, fashion or hair, etc., etc. I'm on vacation. Your girl is doing her thing. I got flued out, y'all. I got flued out. But anywho, thank you guys for tuning in. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also, don't forget to hit that post notification button, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.